Strategies to make money on YouTube. The question of how to generate money on YouTube has certainly crossed your mind if you create digital videos. And if you want to make digital material, you'll definitely also be curious about that. YouTube is just one of the lucrative social media platforms available to content producers. Let's go over how to generate money on YouTube, including all the specifics and equipment you'll need. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the strategies to make money on YouTube. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. You don't need any prior experience with videography. All you need is a basic movie creator like Animoto, some ideas, and a little background information. You're on the path to becoming a YouTube celebrity. There are numerous ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Some are simple, while others call for a little bit of imagination. We've discovered the best 13 methods to use YouTube as your next source of money. Number 1. Join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the first step for 2 reasons. It enables you to monetize your video and offers you access to outstanding tools that will help you grow your channel. The YPP gives creators access to the creator support team, the copyright match tool, and the YouTube monetization options. The creator support team can help you navigate policies, debug problems for you, and more. They can help you with YouTube's technological aspects as well. They are always willing to help. You may copyright your content, look for matches on YouTube, and delete content that has been stolen using the copyright match tool. Number 2. Make money via YouTube Premium. When using YouTube Premium, users have various advantages, including no advertising, background play, download capabilities, and more. Although removing video advertising from YouTube Premium might seem to reduce revenue, this is not the case. When ad revenue is lost, YouTube helps creators whose videos are featured on YouTube Premium. When users watch your material through YouTube Premium, YouTube will compensate the producers for the views. The YouTube Premium user experience is popular. Additionally, you may still make money while your viewers can have their preferences thanks to YouTube. Number 3. Connect with brands via YouTube Brand Connect. A program called YouTube Brand Connect promotes collaborations between businesses and creators. Brand Connect makes it simple for companies and influencers to collaborate on campaigns. Brands share their items, you make money, and your viewers discover new things from leading brands thanks to your suggestions. Everyone is happy. You can bargain over your fees, bonuses, and marketing initiatives while working with brands. Additionally, YouTube Brand Connect offers strong insight tools so you can demonstrate your value. Number 4. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. You had better be making money off your live feeds if you're a streamer. Users can pay Super Chat through the YouTube Partner Program to post comments on your streams. While watching your content, viewers can purchase comments, which are then pinned to the top of the conversation feed. The longer the remark is at the top of the stream, the more money they spend. This is a really easy method of making money off a YouTube material. Just from the fans' remarks, you receive 70% of the super's earnings. Unscreen.tv posted and said, "A super chat is a paid message that makes a viewer's comment more colorful and eye-catching than ordinary comments. While new comments in the chat stream displace older comments, super chats are special and rise to the top of the chat window." Number 5. Participate in the YouTube Shorts Fund. The YouTube Shorts Fund is for you if you produce artistic short films. A $100 million fund called the YouTube Shorts Fund supports the production of original YouTube shorts. YouTube evaluates the effectiveness of short films on their platform each month and rewards producers with money from the funds. Simply by uploading your regularly scheduled programming, you may make between $100 to $10,000 every month. Make sure your video is unique, imaginative, and YouTube only. YouTube will fulfill your bonus if it performs well. Number 6. Offer channel memberships. With channel memberships, you may charge your biggest fans a monthly fee for access to unique material. How does it function? You can restrict access to content like movies, badges, and emojis so that only your monthly subscribers can access it. They subscribe to your channel and have access to member-only benefits. Channel memberships can be successful without a million subscribers. Channel memberships are a great way to make money if you have a loyal viewership and provide relevant material. Number 7. Get ad revenue from video ads. Advertising is YouTube's main revenue stream, and so can yours. Once you sign up for the YouTube Partner Program, you may start selling ad space on your videos to businesses and advertisers. Google will handle the rest after you set up your AdSense account and link it to your YouTube account. You receive a portion of their advertising earnings. Your content views and engagement level will all affect your revenue. Your revenue will increase as your account balance does. Number 8. Use Merch Shelf to showcase your merchandise. Through your channel, you may offer branded products to your subscribers using Merch Shelf. Your merchandise that can be purchased can be seen on your live streams, channel, end screens, and films. Although setting up and selling branded merchandise may seem difficult, we assure you that it is not. Numerous e-commerce websites and platforms manage all aspects of the transaction, including payments, production, fulfillment, and shipping. They put in the labor, and you get paid. Selling merchandise is a terrific method to rake in cash on YouTube since it gives your followers a tangible opportunity to show their support. Number 9. Sell products or services to viewers directly. Consider developing a product or service that your viewers can buy if you are a clever business person and want to sell to them directly. For content producers with specialized offerings or a sizable audience, selling things is a fantastic choice. An online beauty expert might create cosmetic brushes, or a YouTube chef could market a cookbook. Just make sure to advertise them in your films if you sell your goods or services through YouTube, on your end screens, in your bios, and in the caption of your videos. Be sure to provide links. Number 10. Make sponsored video content. Making sponsored video content is a terrific way to earn money on YouTube if you enjoy working with brands. Get brands that are relevant to your audience and content to sponsor your videos in return for a shout-out. Many YouTubers employ this technique. More brands will pay you for a shout-out as you gain more followers. Simple steps exist to obtain sponsored video content. Look for companies whose customers might be similar to those to your YouTube following. Send an email with brief instructions and your YouTube statistics. Include them in your upcoming video. Then you may haggle over the price, and presto, your video is now sponsored. Number 11. Become a brand affiliate. One common way for content producers to make money from their work is through brand association. Being an associate of a brand makes you a representative of it. These alliances are long-term, and you profit from commissions and sales. Through an affiliate link or a discount code, brands will provide you with a mechanism to track which sales you have influenced. You receive a commission each time you convince a customer to buy something. Number 12. Crowdfund your next project. A good technique to raise money for forthcoming projects is through crowdfunding. Try crowdfunding if you believe it will help others with your idea. Maybe you're a YouTube traveler who frequently visits new locations. Your fans might be persuaded to contribute to your travel expenses so they can see your content. The project may receive additional financing if you host your campaign on a website for crowdsourcing. Number 13. Become a YouTube influencer. There are influencers on every social media network. In a nutshell, they are passionate fans of creators. They are also experts at making money out of their content. In any industry, you can have impact, like beauty, fashion, and health and well-being. Some industries are more well-liked than others. However, it doesn't follow that you have to adhere to these rules. You should employ each of these 13 strategies to monetize your YouTube channel as a YouTube influencer. Creating content is your full-time job if you are an influencer, so get to work. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.